I turned the Hogsmeade village set into a medieval tavern for the castle theme. Hi, I'm Rick. Welcome to my channel for LEGO inspiration and ideas. In part 1 last week, I took some pieces from Honeydukes on the right to modify the Three Broomsticks on the left to come up with this medieval tavern, which includes knights, minifigures and some trees. However, I wanted to continue to modify it to make a more castle themed pub. So here it is, without the snow attached. I've made a few modifications, including taking away the snowy floor, using only pieces from Honeydukes, and also modified the roof. I put some broken slates on there and taken away the white elements. Again, I've done the same at the top and added some extra details on the sloping roof. Inside the pub now, I left things the same as I really like the original design. So outside we have this diorama, and I'd like to lead you step by step as to how I did this. So let's have a little look around to show you the details in turn. We've got trees, we've got minifigures, and we've got some forestmen. Very excited about them. And I've also got a custom wagon with some younger folk offloading a barrel full of supplies. So here is the diorama on the custom baseboard I made a few weeks ago. Let's take a look. So I started off by putting some details and some plant life on the floor. These lead the eye to the main event, which is the pub at the back in all its glory. Here are some instant trees which I've imported from some Harry Potter sets. I think it's Expecto Patronum, and I put those at the back. We'll come on to those again later. So there's also some extra trees which are really handy to have around. They are different designs, and so these are handy for the foreground. So I put those in, one on the left and one on the right, to add some more detail. Onto the minifigures, and that is Professor McGonagall on the left with a new head and hands, and she's talking to a forestman figure outside the front of the pub. He's turned up with his other half, who is playing with this horse, and she's being watched by the owner of the horse, this huntsman on the right. They make quite a nice detailing at the front of the diorama, and then we'll move on to the other details. Some extra trees added left and right to give some depth to the photography, and finally a custom built cart which is being offloaded by these two children characters. There are some supplies in the barrel that are going to go into the pub. So that is it. We've got a really nice diorama with a castle theme made from the Hogsmeade village modified Three Broomsticks. I really enjoy putting this together, including some of my medieval minifigures. Some of these I've made on my own, and I'll be putting these together as a video at a later date. As you can probably tell, I really enjoy messing around with LEGO, so get out there and build something great. Many thanks for watching.